Santa Monica nuông vel vắt này nè mun hi kom na tur chi tak ani in ka khia engai dan sei vero boxia Maryland Baltimore ten and taking place on hey mi puhin zale an cheerful ve emma mo dara fel vak lo chulom thin ma se tlang puin polita an fel tourist an tamem boka chuan na tho na tur hun atan po om na tur atan po travel don ani mar che expensive ve de laka California ten ita ha kha chu chiang sa lo ni ta se nan mo mani overall a chuan nom tak beach ani boka mo different kam Pacific kam kanita gatlen na hotel bu velen ta so la me pathum ka so Asian ni sa ni ta Korean te Japanese Chinese ni tlang pui mo ta Asian ho long kop ma yeah, a little bit of salsa. Yeah. I like your hard work, bro.
Thank you, thank you. So you do want the tahini chamoy, right?
Yeah, but not too much, you know. Just a little bit. Lunch Vine Beach, Santa Monica Beach. Ang len rồi này.
I go, oh, is that one of those?
Beach kam dik tak chu ni he. A view hian rom. A view hi. Khop he Santa Monica, California chuan northwest tamam. quay bột ang rang chia cái là chè ngâm lẩu với nọ chơi bột cất thì được nọ bột quay khai nữa quay khai nó rồi spin về fisherman you luck yet you luck how many fish catch say fish fish only two
Yeah.
let me see big
One is here and
over there
one is there.
well you got a big one yeah?
Nothing.
Have faith, okay? Koe kai o karkop vai.
At ball, replay. Replay, we're still at match point. Third. Point. We're all tied up. You only got to win by one. 11-11. There you go, just like that. End of match. That's the match. Mark and Double, stick around, because you know what? Matter of fact, listen up. Santa Monica, I got a problem. I have a huge problem. I just found out that I didn't give away everything, so we have a lot more stuff to give away. I know, it's a big problem. It's my fault. we need the family photo on the court with all the players. If we can have the players facing the camera on ESPN for a final family photo, we appreciate y'all so much. Santa Monica, y'all have been absolutely incredible. And I got good news. We got giveaway after giveaway coming up. We got Tech Ball finals coming up.
Come on. Good job.
The Bible tells us God's day for judging the world is coming soon. God is grieved because of the sinfulness of mankind. The sinful world is coming to an end. All the nations grieve today.
Players, here we go. Whoever hangs on the longest wins. Don't be the first to drop. Seconds. 30s? Oh no! You let go! Try again to see if you can hold on longer.
Sí, ella, jovencita.
Not today? Okay, go to the end. You're gonna die with that too. Go to the end. Here we go. Oh, the owner of Apple, how are you?
I wish I was.
Skinny dippers, I get to you.
Sayang. Killer restaurant out there. Kalau chầu quay bốc lâu à? Cần bật thuyền để lại street. That side of the view. There you go.
That's my one.
gonna jump over what, 6 people?
Well, make some noise. Y'all make some noise. Santa Monica, make some noise. Wait. If your ass can't do that, make some noise. Thank you so much. That was our show, Santa Monica. You can follow us on Instagram.
The